Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd and I'm the CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's COVID-19 pandemic update for Monday the 6th of April. Firstly, I'll start by saying that there are currently 1,158 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Victoria, which is an increase of 23 from yesterday, and still, thankfully, just the single case in the Murrindindi Shire. The Victorian State Government has broadened its testing criteria to include people whose employment and contact with the broader public may place them at higher risk of exposure. These people include childcare workers, early childhood educators, primary or secondary school teachers and staff, and firefighters and other emergency medical responders, and people aged 65 years or older. If these people display symptoms such as fever or acute respiratory infection, they will be tested for coronavirus, but only if they display those symptoms. The message is still very clear from the government: if you can stay home, you must stay home. Police will be out in force, and the penalties are pretty big if you're caught gathering in groups of 2 or more, or travelling for purposes that aren't essential. There have been some questions still coming through from concerned community members about people who are staying in the Shire in their holiday homes. Now, to be really clear, these people cannot travel backward and forward between their main place of residence and their holiday home. That's completely irresponsible behaviour. They must, if they're choosing to come and stay here in a holiday home, they must stay in the one place and self-isolate as much as possible, like everybody else is doing. Accommodation providers such as Airbnb should not be accepting bookings, except if they're essential service workers who are in our Shire for essential work, or for those who have no fixed address, such as grey nomads or those who are travelling and living out of their vehicle. If you have concerns regarding inappropriate behaviour, whether that's distances or the number of people staying in Airbnb, the appropriate number to call is 131 444, and that's the police assistance line. As I've mentioned previously, Council has closed all parks, outdoor public spaces and playgrounds in line with the state government directives. And that's in order to deter the gatherings of visitors to our Shire. And this weekend we're going to be closing our public toilets. That's all public toilets will be closed from Thursday afternoon to Tuesday morning. And that's targeting tourist visitors that may still choose to come up over the long weekend. And as I said before, DELP, Goulburn Murray Water and Parks Victoria have also introduced a number of closures, and it's best to check their websites. We've had confirmation from the state government that our family daycare educators will be eligible for the JobKeeper payment, which will provide allowances of up to $1,500 a fortnight. There's further information available to those individuals who do fantastic work for our Shire coming through, and we're just waiting for that further information from the federal government, but they will hopefully be able to keep continuing their services. We're continuing to find new ways of serving our community, and some of those changes have been very popular. Our Dindy Link service is going very well, and we've had quite a number of inquiries already from people reaching out for assistance. Our Book Butler service has been a huge hit. It's had more than 200 library members have now accessed books and other items to get them through and alleviate some of the inevitable boredom. And we have today introduced a new service for those with diabetes or a medical condition that requires the disposal of sharps. This is usually done through customer service centres, but as they are currently closed, we're now offering a home delivery and pickup service. So any full sharps containers can be left at your front door, ready for collection, and our helpful community safety teams will collect those and replace them with an empty one for you. And the way to access that is just give us a call on 5772 0333, and those staff will come and give you a hand. Our community and neighbourhood houses are also doing a fantastic job in their local communities. They've been supporting those in real need with food and essential goods. And in recognition of that and to support their efforts, Council has today awarded each of them $1,000 to go towards the food purchasing. Our Deputy Mayor, Margaret Ray, had the pleasure of contacting each group today and letting them know. I think it's really important that people arm themselves with accurate information, and Council is trying to help distill all that information to make it easily accessible for people who need it. And we've put a whole load more new links and material up on our website to help you. So all those links to the latest government restrictions, government health advice, information about the support available to individuals and businesses who are needing support during this time. And of course, it's really important for people to be able to reach out for help if they need it with mental health. So we've also updated our links on our website for some really good mental health support services that are available if you need them. And please, if you need them, reach out. If you want to learn more, visit our website murrindindi.vic.gov.au or give us a call on 5772 0333. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay home.